Well, now I'll turn. As you see, we're joined by Margaret Swan, who's with the Southern Chiefs Organization in Manitoba and is a proxy in our meeting this week. And she'll be speaking to the day schools issue and to the McLean class action, which of course is named for our dear friend. Gary, please help me welcome Margaret.
Miigwech. When in my PowerPoint, this is my PowerPoint. My name is, well, Spigisha go benashin nikas. Kichimi wetch the naman eduksh kitwan ganino manu gumji bayan. Mi wetch manitu. Tago mi wetch genagitin the nemamanu gumgayak. Nimena and tamanishna beksh kitwat. Chigigitut tamas wat taguanich and agach twata ninegej chigiot. My English name is Margaret Swan. I am a member of the McLean Federal Indian Day School class action lawsuit that began in Manitoba in 2009 with Gary McLean taking the lead. He was from Lake Manitoba Treaty 2 First Nation. Gary is no longer with us. It's emotional talking about Gary because Gary was like my brother. We grew up in the same home, same community, and he fought hard to get this process moving forward. And it took us 10 years of lobbying and doing all kinds of things behind the scenes. I don't know if you've seen me today running around lobbying chiefs, getting a resolution to this forum that will be looked at afterwards to help us with this process. So in 2016, this lawsuit became a federal class action lawsuit. Gary McLean found lawyers who were willing to step up to the plate and help us move forward. We had a really hard time finding lawyers. So in 2019, the federal court approved a settlement. There was an announcement made here in Ottawa. I was part of that. Gary McLean, unfortunately, went on to greener pastures and could not be here. And Gary, I know you're with us today. And as we moved forward, there was hearings in Winnipeg, Manitoba in May. I was really disappointed in those hearings because of the fact that there were lawyers that came out of the woodwork deciding that they were going to be part of this lawsuit because there was now an announcement that big bucks were involved. And I also just want to point out, there is no amount of money that will pay for the damage that was done to our people. And I say that very loudly. So for those of us that are involved in this lawsuit, it's more about what the chief from Saskatchewan, Chief Ted, just said. It's about the healing we need for our children, our families. The addictions crisis is so terrible right now. And one of the things we keep telling our law firm that helped us move this forward is you need to make sure that when our people are filling out these application forms, these claim forms, our people need grassroots support right at the ground level to help us because we need healing. This could be a start to helping us, our children, our families, so we don't have to continue to fight the horrors from the damage of these damn schools. So we are asking for your support with this resolution. What's blocking us right now is there is a chief, and respectfully, Chief Ottawa, I wish you were here today so I could meet you. This has been a long, outstanding battle. Chief Ottawa, you have a lawyer, Mr. Schultz, who's working with you. You are blocking this from moving forward. Please, I ask you to stop your process and allow us to move forward. There are about 140,000 class members across this country that are waiting for their settlement. Some are dying and they're struggling. They're asking for our support to move this forward. So let's just get it done and continue to work to heal our children and families so we could raise better leaders in the future. And I'm not saying this isn't good, it's great. I've been out of the loop for 10 years almost, and I'm happy when I see the progress that's been made, but I know we can do so much better. We can have one of our own become Prime Minister of this country. I want to see that before my lifetime. Chimiwach.
Do you want to introduce me and then I'll just close up? Thank you, Margaret. Thank you very much, Margaret.